Hello everyone, welcome to this channel Edu10 India. Today we'll discuss about the difference between few and a few. Let's take an example. There are few students in the class today. This means that only a small number of students are present in the class today. It emphasizes that the number of students present is lower than expected, almost none. Now let's take an example for a few. There are a few students in the class today. This means that some students are present in the class today without a negative connotation. So, when we use few students, it means very small number of students, almost none. And when you use a few students, it means some students without a negative connotation. This series presents pairs of confusing words with clear explanation and examples in individual videos. To build a strong understanding of these words, be sure to watch all the videos in this series. Thank you for watching.
Please like and subscribe. I get motivated. I'll get back to you soon.